Thanks. I am Subimal Karan, Secretary of Sibganj Integrated Development Society. The society is a non-government, non-profit making and non-political organization working for the development of the needy and disadvantaged people of Sundarbans. It is located at Pathopotima in Sundarbans and the South Chobis Purgana district in West Bengal, India. We have been trying our best to develop the island of Sundarbans since 2005. The staff and volunteer unit of our organization conducted a primary survey in a few villages, and in that survey report, electricity was one of the problems that most people highlighted. Sundarban Islands had no electricity lines until 7 to 8 years ago. All the families are dependent on kerosene. Due to lack of money, many families do not have electric connection till now. Land load shedding often occurs in these areas, especially if there is a cyclone or any natural disaster. There is no electricity line connection for 3 to 4 months. Due to the inability to purchase kerosene, the education of the children of poor families suffers. The number of criminal activities increases at night. The use of kerosene in all homes leads to increased environmental pollution. The issues make us think deeply. The result of that thought was to provide solar study lamps to the families of poor students. One of the alternatives to fossil fuels is the solar energy. Solar energy is the most important and the cleanest energy source that can be used in almost every field. It does not produce any harmful emissions or pollutants. It reduces carbon emissions and improves air quality. Maximum people use kerosene during load shedding period, which is costly. Kerosene releases carbon monoxide that directly contributes to global warming. Furthermore, replacing kerosene lamps with solar lamps could potentially improve students' health, which may in turn positively affect academic performance. Solar lamps do not produce air pollution or any dangerous byproducts. Solar energy is a sustainable energy and is inherently more sustainable than fossil fuel energy sources. Solar lamps have a lower operation cost than kerosene lamps. Solar lamps can improve the social, economy, environment, health and education. Solar energy does not generate waste or contaminate water. It prevents damage in the land and habitat, and it also fights against climate change. This is an innovative technology in the age of modern technology. It provides appropriate energy access to the community and create local solar ecosystem to ensure sustainability. Thanks.